Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a testimonial section in WordPress. I will be using Divi's Testimonial module, which makes it very easy to add client images, star ratings, and text in a professional way. If you want to follow along and try Divi yourself, check the link in the description for a great price. Start by opening the page where you want your testimonials to appear. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new regular section and then insert a row. A single column works best if you want the testimonials stacked, while 2 or 3 columns work well if you want them side by side. Next, click the plus icon and search for the testimonial module. Add it to your row. Once the module is in place, you will see several fields you can fill out. In the Content tab, start with the client's name. This will usually appear in bold or highlighted text so it stands out. Right below that you can enter the job title and the company name, which adds credibility to the testimonial. Then move down to the testimonial text box. Here you can paste or type in the actual review your client gave you. Keep it short and genuine so it is easy for visitors to read. Adding 2 to 3 sentences usually works best, and upload a client photo to make it personal. Enter the review module and you'll be able to display stars for each testimonial. You can set how many stars you want to show depending on the review. Now switch to the Design tab. Here you can customize the colors, fonts, and spacing. You can make the client image circular for a polished look and change the star color so it matches your branding. If you need more than one testimonial, just duplicate the module and replace the content for each client. You can line them up in a row for a grid or stack them vertically for a simple style. When you are finished, click the green checkmark to save your module, then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh your page to see your testimonial section live with client photos and star ratings. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.